To keep your Ninja AutoBarista performing at its best and your drinks tasting fresh, regular cleaning and maintenance are essential. Let's walk through the key steps. After every froth, wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth to prevent milk buildup. Then push the wand down to activate Auto Purge, or press the purge button for a manual clean. For a deeper clean of the steam wand, fill the milk jug with water and a drop of dish soap. Select Froth Only, choose Thin, and press Start. The milk jug itself is also dishwasher safe. When the orange float appears, or the empty tray alert shows, it's time to empty both the drip tray and puck bin. As best practice, always empty them at the same time. Pour the water into the sink, dispose of the pucks in the trash, and for easy cleanup, hand wash with soap and water. When the brew unit alert illuminates orange, follow these steps. Turn off and unplug the machine. Open the maintenance door on the left side of the machine. Press the orange tab to release the brew unit. Rinse under cool water, but do not use soap. Use the cleaning brush for hard-to-reach areas. Air dry completely before reinstalling. Do not dry with a cloth, as this can impact the lubrication needed to function smoothly. A full clean cycle is recommended monthly or when the clean light illuminates. Place a cleaning tablet in the pre-ground chute and press the Clean button. Then press Start to begin the cycle. A full clean cycle should take about 6 minutes. When the descale light illuminates, follow the package instructions on your provided descale solution. Dissolve a packet of descale solution in the water reservoir and press the descale button. Press Start to begin the descale cycle. It will take 90 minutes to run a full descale. With that, your Ninja AutoBarista is ready. Let's brew.